what's more important at the end of the day is that you have healthy skin. And it doesn't matter how it looks like. So this is my skin. Hashtag no filter. You can see I have lots of butters, lots of blackheads, and PS. Do you guys remember this? So Santa decided to give me a Rudolph's nose for Christmas, and it's still there. Like, this is not what I asked for, Santa. I do have a little bumps on my forehead, and hello, we have new visitors. I did not touch them though. And these are not my regular pustule acne. My theory is that my skin barrier has gotten really weak. My skin has reached her limit, and she's like, nope, no more. So my skin barrier is non-existent. It's just not there, poof. So that's why I've been getting these little acne, yeah, right under the nose. She a cute one. They're welcome to stay and hang because we're opened and we ain't like Clubhouse. But yeah, more pores. A lot. Oh, this one. Oh, it's another acne. Oh, I didn't see you there. I'm sorry. I didn't acknowledge your existence. And lots of hyperpigmentations here and there. Here, this one's another acne spot. So I am indeed filming on my iPad, so please excuse the low quality. But I've just noticed my iPad is able to pick up on the more intricate details of my skin, if you will. So that's why I decided to film my iPad instead. Okay guys, I just want to point out my skin doesn't look this bad in real life. Like, it is doing a really good job in nitpicking all the details of my skin. First, I'm using a toner pad that I've been working on, which you guys will see very soon. Wink, hint. Like I said, my skin is feeling extremely sensitive, but I made it so that even though you have sensitive, you can still use this. Then moving on to this beaut of a product. I've showed you guys this in my recent video. This is the 진정성 Soothing Moisture Skin Essence. And guys, this is so hydrating. I swear, you could double this up as a serum. So it has a very clear, jelly-like, I guess, viscous, like that. It's literally a serum. It's awesome. So I recently met up with an acquaintance, and she told me, I love watching your videos because you don't try or seem to be perfect or have perfect skin, and you just show everything as it is. And that just really stuck with me for some reason. And now, just to be clear, of course, when I'm filming videos for you guys on my channel, I don't try to be perfect at all. That is true. I mean, even with my skin, hello, right here, like my dark circles, my lovely acne and pimples, and my crazy hairdo right now. Let me just fix that for a second though. But after hearing that, I think I realized that on a very unconscious level, I did feel a certain pressure to have great looking skin, because after all, I am a skincare YouTuber. All right, next up, I'm gonna open up my third bottle of the Mito Self Rejuvenation 10% Niacinamide Boosting Ampoule. I just announced the winners for the giveaway of this, and I hope you guys enjoy. It's so good. Oh, my third bottle, guys, and I actually bought it with my own money, ka-ching, which is very rare because, as you guys saw in my last video, I get sent a lot of PR gifts. So there was really no need for me to buy new products, but this was one of the very few products that actually went out, and I was like, I need more of this in my life. So this has 10% niacinamide, and the great thing about niacinamide is, guys, even though you use it in large quantities, it won't bother your skin. So studies have showed that it's okay to use niacinamide up until 10%. It won't bother your skin. So I think I especially thought this way, that I needed to have perfect skin on my better skin days when I didn't have acne. Like, I felt like I needed to show a skin type with no pores, with no hyperpigmentations, and just a perfect filtered glass skin. But after doing some contemplation, I just realized that I didn't want to portray that kind of perfect skin type either. I mean, everyone has pores, everyone has wrinkles, everyone has some kind of texture issue. And so I feel like by now, everyone is aware that that kind of filtered, flawless skin is not realistic. No one has skin like that. And because of that, I think not a lot of people are attracted to that kind of skin either. Instead, I think people are more attracted to having healthy skin. So skin without redness, skin with a very even toned complexion, skin that feels healthy, skin that feels comfortable, skin that doesn't feel like it's burning all the time. And it's also about having a skincare routine that you're comfortable with and a routine that you know works for your skin, which is actually a lot harder to find. Speaking of healthy skin, which is something that my skin is not right now, I will be applying the Rovectin Skin Essentials Barrier Repair Face Oil as my moisturizer. So I recently finished up the Rovectin Cica Care Balm. It was great. But as I told you guys, my skin has reached her limit. She is putting her toe, she's stepping her toe down. She's putting her toe down. And so I think a couple of days ago, my skin just felt utterly irritated, utterly sensitive, and it got to a point where no matter how much product I would apply, within 5 minutes, like everything would evaporate and my skin would feel so dry as if I hadn't put on anything. Like trans epidermal water loss just got real. And it was my first time experiencing anything like that. I actually used to have, yes, past tense, a very healthy skin barrier. I wouldn't really react to a lot of skincare or makeup products, but honey, those are the good old days. So out of desperation, I was reaching out for all these kinds of other products, and I just decided to use this product as my last hope. And I went to bed early that day. Sleep is very important. And it has been doing wonders. It has been helping me a lot. My skin doesn't feel as stinging or burning as it used to be. So I'm just going to take a few drops. So this, ooh, sorry. Did you see how runny that is? So this oil has squalene in it. Actually, let me rub it between my hands and just absorb it because that's faster. So this oil has squalene in it, and squalene is a type of lipid or fat that is naturally produced by our oil glands. And because it's something that's naturally produced by our skin is able to absorb it. It feels comfortable on the skin. And so this is just going to lock down all the hydration that I applied on. And squalene is also a great antioxidant. So this oil has been honestly saving my skin's butt. Love, love, love. I'm also going to take a bit more and apply it on my neck and hands as well. Do not neglect those two, guys, or you will regret. Super healthy, right? Healthy. Hashtag healthy looking skin, like goals, right? Last but not least, sunscreen. So I think it really comes down to the fact that what's more important at the end of the day is that you have healthy skin. Skin that's not reacting to everything, skin that's healthily functioning and doing its job. That's what really matters, right? And it shouldn't matter how your skin looks like on the surface level. And I just realized it's kind of like how I used to think about my weight. I think when I was younger, all I ever wanted was to have a skinny body or skinny looking body because that's what everyone else wanted, right? Okay, I look a little cray-cray with the sunscreen, but I'm getting there. Like I used to think looking skinny was the best thing, that it will make me happy. It was ideal. But after having gone through so much, like starving myself, binge eating, body dysmorphia, stress eating, etc., I just realized that being healthy is the most important thing. And I think once you realize that, you just come to embrace how your body looks like. And it doesn't matter how it looks like. You embrace it and you start loving it because you know you're healthy. And I think I should apply that to my skin. As long as it's healthy, it's working phenomenally, I should be happy with it no matter how it looks like, right? No matter if I have hyperpigmentations, no matter if I have dark... Actually, with dark circles, that's a different story because it's telling me that I'm tired. Of course, everyone is free to work on specific skincare concerns that they personally might have. Like, for example, I am hooked on niacinamide because it has really, really brightened up my skin complexion. So to each their own. And to be honest, guys, one of my philosophies when it comes to skincare is that it should make you feel good. You shouldn't be stressed out about skincare, and you should work with what works for you, what makes you happy. So once again, whatever makes you happy, but at the end of the day, we should really, really strive to get that healthy skin, which unfortunately is something I should work on. I should really work on that. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I just really want to sit down and be real with you guys like I always am. But it was also one of those moments of realization that I had, and I thought I would share that with you guys because sharing is caring. Also, make sure to let me know what is your standard or definition of an ideal skin. I would love to know, do you want or do you strive for that glass filtered skin look, or does it not bother you as much? See you guys in my next. Ciao!